Hi guys, this is my first time using this recording device, but we're going to see how it works. Okay, so for language arts today, you'll go to your eClass page and then you'll find this. It'll say 2020 Semester 2 Language Arts. And then when you scroll down, it will pop up. My computer's a little slow. Here we go. It should say day 4 right here. And then it says that your opening is to go watch the homeroom video, and then your mini lesson is to watch this video right here. So if you're doing it, you're doing the mini lesson. And then your work period is to go to readworks.org and click on civil rights on a city bus. And you guys are going to be doing that for language arts today. You're going to be answering and submitting your questions. So I hope everybody has a good day, and I hope that this video works.